I really didn't feel like I belonged to computing until I started coming to the grad cohort, because you can see that computing has like so many different faces, so many different shapes, and it's so many areas. I would describe the grad cohort for women as a safe space. That's like the first thing that comes to me, because I feel that here you can build your professional persona in a way that you're not being judged. As a woman in STEM, in the intersection of computer science and engineering, it's really hard to find mentors I can relate to. And so here I think it's a really great space to find people I can relate to and that have had not only the technical struggles in the academic career, but also can relate to my personal experiences. And that's really good because I personally struggle building the confidence to come up to and present myself and have my pitch. And I think here's like a really good space where you can like practice that. A PhD is like a roller coaster, right? And so sometimes you hit bottoms, and here I've met people that are so great that I know are a resource for me to come back to and understand when I'm through these times, and can provide support and kind of like help me get back like on the upright. I feel it's really common in STEM to struggle with imposter syndrome, right? And hearing that everyone has that struggle, it makes me feel really relieved. I don't know, it helps me feel more included in the field, it helps me feel validated, and it removes all that isolation. So part of the value of the grad cohort to me is also the ability to interact directly with sponsors. I feel the process of just like sending your resume through like some webpage is really cold. But here you have the chance to talk on one-to-one with employees and recruiters from the sponsors. So it's really great to network at the professional level, not only at the peer level. And all of that made me feel like a sense of belonging. And that's really powerful because it encourages me to keep doing computing, to keep being part of the research that is being done in computer rather than drifting off because I don't feel like I belong here.